Now, distance of a point from a line. We find the distance of the point x1, y1 from the general line. General line is ax plus by plus c equals to. So, the distance of the point x1, y1 from ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A line and a point, then the distance. So, consider the diagram. So, suppose this is the line, which is this ax plus by plus c equal to 0, the line. And suppose the point P, the point x1, y1. Then the distance of the point from the line is this, the perpendicular distance. Suppose it is Pm. The distance is the shortest distance, which is the perpendicular distance. And suppose this is Pm, the perpendicular is Pm. And let us take this distance is d. We want to find this d. Equation of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the point is x1, y1. And now, consider these points. The points where the line meets the axis, x-axis and y-axis. When we put this ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in the intercept form, we get the equation of x by e is minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1. Therefore, the intercepts are minus c by a and minus c by b. So, this distance is c by a minus c by a, and hence this point is this minus c by a 0, and this point is 0 minus c by b. C by. And suppose this is the point Q and this is the point R. Join this PQ and join this PR. PQ and PR joined. So here we get the triangle PQR. Now, the area of this triangle can be found in two ways. One, half base into altitude. The other is area of the triangle having vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. These three vertices now. So in two different ways we can find the area and equate. And equating from that equation we can find or we will get this d. That is half base into altitude area is 1 by 2 into QR into d, half base into altitude. Half base into altitude equal to this area of triangle PQR with vertices x1, y1, this is x2, y2 and this is x3, y2. And therefore from this d is equal to 2 times area of triangle PQR divided by QR. Equation 1. So we find area of triangle using these three vertices. Find this QR using distance formula. We know these 2 points. So find the distance formula. Applying distance formula, we can find this distance. Substitute in this expression, we get d. That is the method. And now find the area of this triangle. So area is equal to of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 sigma x1 into y2 minus y3, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into this y1 minus y2. It is equal to 1 by 2 into, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So substitute x1 into this x1 into y2 minus y3. y2 this is 0, 0 minus c by b. So this c by b plus x2 into x2 is minus c by a, minus c by a into y3 minus y1. So y3 is minus c by b minus y1. So minus c by b minus y1 plus x3 into so x1, x2, x3. x3 is the 0, 0 into 0. 0. So this is equal to this 1 by 2 into this cx1 by b plus c squared by ab plus cy1 by a. Or this is again equal to 1 by 2 into, so CAB, there is C common factor here, then AB taken outside, C by AB into, then, so C taken outside, so here this divided by AB, so 1A here, AX1 plus here this C by AB taken outside plus C plus BY1. That is AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided into C by AB into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2. So this is 2. Again, this distance QR. This QR is equal to root of this y2 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So minus c by a minus 0 whole square. So c squared by a square plus 0 minus c by b whole square, c squared by b square. So this is equal to, here also one c square taken outside, c by ab into this root of a square plus b square. So multiply this, c squared by ab, a squared 1, c squared by a squared, then here c squared by b square, c squared by a square, c squared by b square. So we see that c by ab into root of a square plus b square. This one simplification you will get this. So this is equation 3. Using this 2 and 3, this one becomes, using 2 and 3, this one becomes substitute. So we see that this d is equal to, this d is equal to 2 times area of PQR, 2 times, so 2 into 1 by 2 into C by AB into this. So 2 into 1 by 2 into C by AB into this AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by this C by AB into root of a square plus b square, a square plus b square, and it is equal to, this is equal to this 2 and 2 cancelled, the c by ab cancelled, which is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is the distance ax1, this this ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a squared plus b squared. C is d, the distance, s distance. So which is the distance of the point x1, y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, that's all.